Have you ever wondered if there's a secret recipe for success? What if the key ingredient isn't money, connections, or even raw talent, but something as simple as mindfulness? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve into the fascinating world of mindfulness and its remarkable impact on success. A growing body of research suggests that mindfulness, the practice of focusing one's awareness on the present moment, while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations, significantly contributes to both personal and professional success. This ancient practice, rooted in Buddhist philosophy, has found its place in modern psychology, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. In a study conducted by the University of British Columbia, it was found that individuals who practice mindfulness display enhanced cognitive flexibility. They were better able to think outside the box, come up with novel solutions, and adapt to new situations, all critical skills for success in today's fast-paced world. Furthermore, research from the University of Massachusetts Medical School suggests that mindfulness can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. By learning to stay present and avoid dwelling on past mistakes or future uncertainties, individuals can maintain a calm and focused mind, which is conducive to making better decisions and achieving success. Another compelling study, this time from the University of Amsterdam, revealed that mindfulness can enhance emotional intelligence, a vital component of successful interpersonal relationships. With better understanding and management of emotions, individuals can build stronger, more productive relationships, both personally and professionally. Moreover, researchers at the Harvard Business School have discovered that mindfulness can increase resilience, an indispensable quality for enduring failures and setbacks on the path to success. By cultivating an attitude of acceptance and non-judgment, individuals can learn from their mistakes without being crippled by them. To sum it all up, mindfulness, with its myriad benefits, is a potent tool for success. It fosters cognitive flexibility, reduces stress and anxiety, enhances emotional intelligence, and increases resilience. In a world that often values hustle over health, mindfulness offers a refreshing perspective. It encourages us to slow down, stay present, and approach our lives with acceptance and compassion. So the next time you find yourself chasing success, remember to pause, breathe, and be mindful. You might be surprised by the difference it makes. After all, success isn't just about reaching a destination. It's also about enjoying the journey. And what better way to enjoy the journey than by being fully present for it? This is the true power of mindfulness, a simple yet profound practice that can transform not only our path to success, but also our entire lives. It's not just about doing more or being more. It's about being present, being aware, and being kind to ourselves. And in doing so, we unlock our true potential for success.